Hey everyone, it's Chelsea Bells. This is my first YouTube video, and it's going to be an unboxing of my Fabfitfun. I just received it in the mail today, and I am pretty excited. Fab is a subscription box you get quarterly each season, summer, fall, spring, and winter. It is $49.99 per season, or $179.99 a year. It comes with all sorts of things, makeups, skincare, house goods, all different stuff, fitness. It's a really good subscription box. I will say it's one of my favorite, other than Boxycharm. If you're interested in getting the box, you can get $10 off using my code below. This is my winter Fabfitfun box. All the things I'm showing you in the beginning are what comes inside the box. I did do add-ons, and I will be showing them after. So, when you open up the box, you have this. I'll pull each thing out one at a time for you, if I can get the box to stay. Okay. The first thing is a little catalog. It's got some different stuff that's in here to read. That is hella cute. I want that. Anyway, I'll read through this later. A gift card to this. I never really use it. I honestly think it's not worth the money. And a little note from them. And in the back it says what's in the box. I'll just give you a quick peek, not too fast. And then it tells me the total retail price of the box. It's got this cute little sticker holding the tissue paper. Probably can't really see it that well. Okay. I don't want to rip the sticker because it's so cute. Okay. So the first thing I see in the box is Spongel, multi-use beach grass body wash infused buffer. Now, I've received one of these in a box. I think it was Pop Sugar must-have box. This was like 4 years ago, and I will tell you what, the things smell amazing. I still have it because I just like to smell it. Alright, so this is the item. Oh, it is so good. It smells so good. And I will probably be saving this one too to smell. Next thing is Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts for all skin types. Okay. Exfoliate. That's cute. Intensive exfoliating treatment. I don't know if you could see it. The next best thing to seeing Kate in the clinic is treating yourself to Kate Somerville's signature facial at home. Natural exfoliants help to deep clean pores, while fruit enzymes help to clarify and renew skin. Balancing hydration without over drying. Now that's something I need. I get very dry patches in my T-zone, and then I'm all oily down here. See dramatically smoother, brighter, healthier looking skin in just 2 minutes. Definitely going to have to try this out and let you know how it works. I am not very good on my skin routine anymore. Everything seems to dry out my skin lately. And I don't know. Maybe this will work. The next thing is Karate Hydra. I don't know how to pronounce any of this, but this is it. Mask Hydration Brilliance. I'm going to open it up. Wow, that's a really good sized bottle. Hydrating Shine Mask for dry hair. Well, as you can see, I'm going to need that. After shampooing, apply a dab of, I'm going to say Karate Hydra Hydrating Shine mask. Section by section, all over towel dried hair. Leave in for 2 to 5 minutes, detangle, and then rinse thoroughly. Oh, so I gotta rinse it, I guess. Use 1 to 2 times per week in case of contact with eyes. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, whatever. Okay. First I thought it was just like a conditioner that I use in the shower. And then I thought it was a leave-in conditioner, but I guess it's not. I'll have to try that. I forgot to show you guys the inside of this one. Oh. This is a pretty small bottle, but that's the bottle of Exfoliate. I'm definitely going to do a review on that. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see it. Leave in the comments what type of skin you have. Dry, oily combination like mine. Let me know. And also let me know what you use for your dry skin. Then I got 2 of these. These are Glam Glow Bubble Sheets. Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Masks. Okay. So that's pretty cool. I got 2. Next up is Thrive Cosmetics. Can you see it? Kind of cute. Okay. This is a highlighting stick. I'm not big on highlighting, but this is it. Pretty cute. I'll give it a little swatchy. Oh. Here, I'll just swatch it right here because you can't really see. And you can't really see it that much, to be honest, but there it is right there. I honestly could use this as like an eyeshadow. I don't see why not. Next is Black Eye Mask. Comes with 5 of them. That's cool. Okay. Alright, well, I told you there was 5 in here, but this is what they look like. It's got like little gooey things. It says, late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights. I don't have too many cheeky wines, but I do have a couple martinis. Could have our peepers looking well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. Mini ceramic prep bowls from Pure One. Got it open. Alright, they come really well packed. Okay, it looks like they're all packed. We got a cute little blue one. A green one. Kind of matches. And and a pink one. I like it there like that. Okay. Very cute. These are actually really nice for Easter. I like to put stuff on my buffet in my dining room, you know, little Hershey Kisses or little candies and stuff. So that's awesome. Cute Easter colors. Came in a winter box, but definitely going to use them on my dining room table or my buffet. Alright, next in here is a Summer and Rose. I think I know what this is. This is the clutch. This is it. Very cute. Oh, upside down. There we go. And then it opens up like this. See? And, oh, awesome. It does come with straps inside. So that's cool. I like to use purses like this if I go somewhere that's like crowded versus carrying a giant purse. This is perfect because you can put it around your side and you ain't gonna get anything stolen. And lastly, Mark and Graham personalized gifts. Okay. Oh, this is so soft. Super soft. It's got frillies on this end. I guess you could use it as a hat or a scarf. It's really warm. Oh, crazy hair. It's very warm. You could also use it, I guess, as a, maybe like a throw. Good for fall. Or even, camping around a fire. Put it around you like that. Keep you warm. Could even use it as an outfit, to be honest. Like a nice long black long sleeve with a black long sleeve under it. Like a shawl. Okay, so I just realized that I did not show you the prices of everything or tell you. So, starting with this, the clutch or crossbody bag is $58. I don't know if I'd pay 58 bucks for this, but it is very cute. Next are these two face masks. These are $18 for two. $36. Black hydrogel eye masks. These go for $29 for this box. Kate Exfoliate. This goes for $75. Holy shit. That is a lot of money. I don't think I would ever pay $75 for an exfoliant, to be honest. It says that it's not going to leave my skin dry. The Thrive highlighter, this goes for $24. Oh, you know what? And I just realized that it is built-in sharpener. So now I want to open it again and see. Okay, so this side is the highlighter. Holy shit. And the bottom part clips out, and that's the sharpener. That's pretty cool. I wish every eyeliner and every pencil was like that, to be honest. This retails for 16 bucks. And this adorable throw that is like super soft and cute goes for $49. You know what? I think it's worth it because I'm freezing right now and it is warm as hell. And it's super soft. The Pier 1 bowls, these retail for $24.95. So I'm just going to add up the cost of all of these. I got to use my phone because I ain't the mathematician, my boyfriend is. So my box is $329.95. Now that's all the content that comes in it, not add-ons. That's a pretty good deal for $49.99. Having a little bit of a crazy hair day today. Okay, so now these are my add-ons that you can add on for a discounted price. So we'll start first with Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. The Italian Collection Limited Edition. I just want to see how it smells. Don't taste that great. It smells very fresh, almost like eucalyptus though. With notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. I like it. It smells very refreshing. Next is Stimulation Nitty Gritty Face and Body Polish. Apply to wet or dry skin and gently buff polish until dry. Shower to rinse thoroughly. For face, apply to wet skin and gently polish. Remove dry, flaky skin. I already got dry, flaky skin. Leave skin feeling refresh and renew. Now, honestly, this makes me a little nervous because I already have flaky skin. And I don't know if I wanted to make it any more flaky and itchy. Have you tried it? Let me know down below. Next thing is fitness sliding discs. You use them on like a hard floor. They say, sore today, strong tomorrow. My tag-alongs. How cute. And they're pink. So, I'll show you a picture of what you're supposed to do. So, see, they help you like slide around the floor. Hard floors and stuff. Very, very cute. Next is BB Dakota. This is a poncho. As you see, I'm already wearing the other one because it is so soft and warm. And it was probably my favorite thing out of the box. So, let's see. This is really soft too, actually. Kind of the same concept. I'm all bundled up here in New York. New York, man. Oh, okay. It's got a slip for my head. I like it. Very cute. It would look really good with some dangly earrings and stuff. Very cute. I like it. And I'm going to keep it on because it's warm. Okay. And the last add-on I got is Over Easy. You'll thank us in the AM. It's these. I actually got 2 because I want my boyfriend to try it also. So what these are is you take them while you're drinking, and it's supposed to help with a hangover. For best results, take 1 capsule with water. Slid out of the box anyway. Balance your body. Over Easy Official. Booty text sent to group chat. Next time, take easy. So I guess it's going to help all you hoochie mamas that text your exes while you're drunk. Doubt it. A hoe is a hoe. Okay. Well, anyway, it's... Holy shit. It is a huge, huge pill. Like, I'm not even kidding. That's probably the actual size of it. I'm trying to... Oh, it's so slippery. It's pretty big. What are your hangover cures? Have you used these before? Let me know down in the comments. And don't say drink a lot of water beforehand. Because, girl, I can't drink 8 glasses of water, but I can have 8 martinis. Easy. So that was my Fun Fit Fab box for the winter of 2019. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments below for your hangover cures and what you use on your face, because my face is so dry and I need advice. And subscribe if you want to see more. I will be doing more unboxings and hopefully some makeup tutorials as well. If you want to see anything else, let me know in the comments below. If you would like $10 off, don't forget to click on the link below or use the code that I put below. And yeah, have a bit of a time.